Hello,
I'm Fiona.
I'm Rachel.
Okay, welcome to our channel. Look at us today's outfit. You must know what are we going to talk about. Yes, the kitchen series. Our kitchen series can transform your daily cooking into an interesting experience.
Look, there are many different kitchen products: bamboo cutting boards, heat-proof gloves, pot holder, and apron.
So, how do we make this beautiful product? Let's have a look.
First, we will explain the operation process in detail. You need to design and print out the pattern, then cut the pattern and fix its position with high temperature tape.
Next, you need to adjust the temperature and time of the flat ironing machine. Set the temperature to 118 degrees and the time to 60 seconds. Place the printed apron on the flat ironing machine for the sublimation process.
After completion, remove the pattern, peel back the sublimation inkjet paper, and review the apron pattern.
Looked at our finished product. The color was so vibrant, and our product, the color will won't peel off or fade, so you can trust our quality.
This is apron, you can have a look, and there is a pocket, you can put your phone into it and gloves into it, and this is a kitchen product I will show you later. Now you can have a look. This is 粽子. Now we put it into the microwave and heating it. Now let's take it off. Let's put it on the pot holder. Let's cut it on the sublimation glass cutting board. This is all our kitchen products introduction. Good products from strong manufacturing capabilities, from our high-precision phone case manufacturing workshop to fabric printing. We cover all aspects.
With over 15 years of professional experience, Prosub is a trusted name for global brands.
Whether it's cut-up size or branded designs, we can meet your business needs.
Okay, that's all for today. See you in next video.
Bye-bye.